So let's learn how to connect ChatGPT code extension into the VS Code. So just open up the VS Code and go to this extension and just type in CodeGPT, and you will see this extension which has 299k in downloads. Just install it. After installation, you have to set your OpenAI API key with this extension. So what you have to do, just go back to the browser, open up a new tab and just type in OpenAI API keys. So it will show this website, https://platform.openai.com. Just go to the here. If you are already logged in, you will see this. Otherwise, you have to log in. And initially, you will see this overview. Just click on this personal icon in the top right corner and click on this view API keys. And I have already created. I will delete this. Okay. Let me just create a new API key. So it has just created. I'll copy it. Okay. Now my API key is ready. I'll go back to the CodeGPT VS Code. Now open up the settings and search for CodeGPT. You will see this extension. Now here you can see it says to enter your API key, press Ctrl+Shift+P and search for this. So I will just do it. Ctrl+Shift+P and type in CodeGPT. You will see this option, CodeGPT set API key. So click here and just paste the API key that we have copied already and press enter. Now your API key is set up. Now just go back to the folder, create a new file. I will call it test.js and just click here CodeGPT chat. It will open up a chat window and now you can ask whatever you want to the ChatGPT. So let us ask few questions like write a function in JavaScript which will take a string as an argument and return true if it is a palindrome. That's a very simple function. Let us see whether it gives us the function or not. So it has given this function. Function is palindrome string. And we just type in console.log is palindrome, and I will pass in a string race car, so it should return true. As you can see, this has returned true, so it is working properly. Well, we can test it as well by passing different test cases, but I'm not going to do that because I trust ChatGPT. If you select this code block and just right click, you will see some options like ask CodeGPT, explain CodeGPT. If I click on explain CodeGPT, this will explain this selected code block, what exactly this code block do. So as you can see here, it has given us the documentation exactly what this code does. So this code defines a function called vscode that takes in a string. Okay, that's a very great thing. So this is how you can configure CodeGPT into your VS Code and make yourself a more productive coder. So that's it. So if you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.